Cruz. I am date of Princess Legazpi. Hindi ko akalain na ako yung pipiliin ng princess. Kasi nung nakita ko yung ibang sagot, yung mas magaganda pang sagot. Tapos yun, makakausap ko na rin siya ng person. No. Teka muna.
Bakit? Ha?
Mapapagod ako eh.
Hindi pwede. You have to keep up. Kailangan. Strong ka.
Mapapagod ako eh.
Ha?
Kanina pa tayo naglalakad.
Started with your hips, so I moved up to your lips to take a chance, ask for a dance. Cause you're the cutest thing on this side of the world we call our homes. Yet I feel so all alone half of the time. We gotta live with what we got and I got nothing. So I pray you take my hand so we can conjure up a something right. And you could move on with your whole life, just like you do, just like you should be to do too. But you could make everything alright, and I want you to. Because ever since the first time all I thought about was loving on you.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Hello. How's your day?
It was fun and it's exciting.
My date was amazing. Sobrang saya niya, sobrang new for me, and ayun, nag-enjoy ako. Hi, Taman! Anong na-feel mo nung first time mong nakita si Princess Legazpi?
Masaya syempre.
When I first met my date, sabi ko, wow, naka-polo shirt.
21.
21. Super ready niya. Tapos, nakatingin siya, sabi, hi.
Maganda siya. Tapos, yung pala, ano lang siya, simple, mabait. Yun, enjoy kasama.
Nung nakita ko siya, medyo kinabahan din ako. Tapos sabi ko, naku, paano kaya i-approach si Thomas? Kamusta nung nagpunta kayo sa Birds of Prey? Nakahawak ka ng agit.
Why are you happy? Why are
First
you
time.
happy?
First time.
First time mo makahawak ng ibon?
Oo.
Yung bird, alam mo ba? Nakakatawa ko sa tulay. May nakita ko isang ibon.
Pwede ba kitang hawakan? Baka mamaya di parang niya ako. You are one weird birdie.
Medyo kabado kasi parang nanunuka ata yung
Laki niya, no?
Oo.
Na-enjoy mo naman.
Na-enjoy ko naman.
Sabi ko, oh, you're such a pretty bird. Tapos, hindi siya gumagalaw. Nakatingin lang siya sa akin gano'n. Sobrang dead na siya.
Ba't hindi ka gumagalaw? Ba't hindi ka takot sa tao?
Tapos, pag lalapit ako, parang titignan niya ako from head to toe. I really love that bird. You know why? Because it gives me challenge.
High five!
Ayaw.
Nag-enjoy talaga ako. Punta naman tayo sa Oceanarium. So, Oceanarium, a lot of fishes, of course. There's a lot of...
Masaya kasi mga iba-ibang uri ng isda yung nakikita ko doon. Tsaka first time ko lang makapunta doon sa Manila Ocean.
There are a lot of varieties. Madaming kinds ng fishes na hindi nyo pa nakikita. I really love the tiger something. So, parang kasing sobrang sophisticated ng itsura niya. And nakita rin ako ng baby sharks, ng super laking parang koi fish ba yun? Arana o something. Tapos meron din sila parang tunnel na aquarium. So, it's really nice. No, stingrays as well. Kasi, di ba parang pag nakita mo yung stingray na gumagano sa'yo, or nakasmile sila. So, it reminds you to be happy in your life and to erase all the negativity. That's all.
Bakit daw iniwan ni Princess? Buti pa ang isda malaya.
Ano pinagagagawa mo dyan? Sige, baba ka pa. Sige, baba.
Ano ulit yung pick-up line
Princess,
Oh.
nalulungkot ka ba?
Ay, bakit?
Kasi nag-iisa ka sa puso ko.
Talaga?
Wow!
Oh.
Okay lang ako mag-isa. Thank you.
Sa EXM Museum, kamusta doon?
I love that museum because it's very picturesque.
Mga Marvel heroes, mga minions, mga nakita ko doon. Masaya.
Parang lahat ng shot mo, Instagram worthy, Facebook worthy. So, very picturesque. Gusto ko si Superman. Alam mo ba na napaniginipan ko, naiinipad ako ni Superman. Gusto ko yun dun sa parang nakabaliktad na room. 360 degrees! And also posing with the minions and stuff. So, I won't spoil everything. You guys have to go there to see it.
Ano sa experience ng virtual?
Masaya kasi yung mga ibon, may talento talaga eh. Hindi mo akalain magagawa nila yun.
Find the hidden object for us. Where could that be? And he did it, so round of applause.
Sabi ng director namin, Pringles, we need to get a shot. Magpapansin ka. So sabi ko, I did everything, okay, para mapansin ako. So sabi ko, woohoo! Covered! Lovely! Beautiful cat!
So for the last ball for the win,
Gumaganda ako para matawag ako. Well, it worked. Natawag ako.
Princess.
Miss Princess, you need to bring 500 peso bill.
Alright, so ma'am, can I have your 500 peso?
So, parang turns out, pag dun sa mapapanood nyo or napanood nyo, kinuha siya, tapos nilagay siya sa donation box.
And he gets the money. And he flies again. And he gets buddy. We'll donate the money. So round of applause.
Tinanong ako, sabi sa akin, Princess, are you okay? You lost your money? It's all good! Because it's not my money.
And we are very, very grateful.
I've had my advanced Valentine's kiss from Easy, where I
That's enough, Isis. And she's so happy about it, see?
support as Sea Lion in Ocean Park.
Yay! Yeah.
I need an adult! So, tinawag ako, and ayun, kinis ako, and
Since we do
nag-kiss na
this-
siya, and it's really fun.
Started with your hips.
So overall, paano mo summarize ang date mo with Princess?
It's really fun kasi si Thomas, mahiyain siya. Pero pag sinabihan mo siya na uganting gagawin mo, kailangan magpatawa ka. Alam mo yung innocent nakakatawa, yung parang tapos pag bumanat, malupet.
Masaya, enjoyable, sweet.
I'd love to have him as my friend. Happy Valentine's! I hope that nagsaya naman siya, nag-enjoy siya.
O balita ako, meron kang certain gift kay Princess.
Oo.
He gave me this.
Tsaka may ginawa rin akong poem.
I love poetry, I love making poems, so I'd like to read it. When something that makes me happy occurs,
I want nothing more.
then for a camera to catch the memory,
When out of spite,
I throw something precious
I want nothing more than for a
for it to catch it.
When I treat and fall,
For anyone, I need nothing more
than
than for you
to catch me.
Oh!